How much is the popcorn?
1,000 naira.
1,000? It should be 5 now. Come on, 500.
I can't.
600.
No, why are you so stubborn? You know exactly.
Creating videos like this is very easy to do. Just few steps. And this is good for faceless channels and even to create movies. So now this is how to create a beautiful movie for your channel or for your social media platforms. So to create your videos 3 persons talking, you people said in the last video that I should show you how to create 3 persons that are talking, just like a dialogue video. Okay, so pay attention. First thing, we need to get our prompt. I already have my prompt right here, so let me go here. Let me get my prompt. So you first have to get, of course you always first have your video's idea, right? What type of video do you want to create? That should be your first question. I already have mine here. Okay, so now I'll go over here. This is Flow, right? This is Flow. To come into this platform, simply go to your browser. You can do this with your Android phone, with your laptop, with your MacBook, with your Windows, anything that you have with your iPhone. Okay, you can come into this platform, and once you are here, it is free. Okay, it has the paid one. You can subscribe to the Pro, okay, but they will give you free credits. And what I love about this platform is that to create one video will take only 10 credits. It will take only 10 credits. At least you can create more than 5 videos for your storytelling and for everything for free. Okay, so to get our idea, I have copied my prompt right here. We will get here. Once you come to your browser, simply type Flow. Once you type Flow AI right here, you log in. Okay, this is it right here. You log in, and then this will be the interface. Let me go back. This is what it will show you right here. Let me go back again. Okay, so this is Google Flow right here, right? This is how the interface looks. If you just come into it, you then click on Create Project. Okay, so this is it right here. I'll click on Character. Okay, right now I want to create image, right? So I will paste my prompt right here. None but that 2 is fine. Then I'll send. My image is creating right now, so let's wait a little bit for our image to create. Then we move to the next step of making our images talk in dialogue, right? And also, if you want to get this Pro or cheaper amount, I will share with you how to get this for as low as $3 for 3 months. Okay, you can generate as more than even 50 videos, right, for almost free. Okay, so this is it right here. Our image is done, but no, I do not want this type of presence. Let me go back to ChatGPT. Okay, I'll go up. I have another prompt right here. Okay, I'll copy it, come back here and paste it right here. Of course, if you don't get what you want, always feel free to tell AI, this is what I want. If it's not looking like who you want it to look like, tell it, make it look like this person, make it look like success. Don't even try to use me. So let's wait for this event to generate. It doesn't take time at all, right? But still, this person, I want her to wear a rough cloth. So right now, I have sent the last one. It is created. Okay, so this is our image right here. As you can see, when you see this image right now, you already know what this video is all about. So let's go to the next stage, which is the final stage of this video. Let's make these images to talk for free. Okay, pay attention. To download this image right now, simply come up to here. This is it right here. Come here, that is show history. It doesn't matter what you are using, right? If you're using phone, the same thing. Come here, that is show history. Click on it. It will show you different things you have generated. If you want this one, you can still download it. This one, you can still download it, alright? But I don't want them. I just want this. So I'll click on this download icon right here, and it will download into my desktop. But it's done downloading, alright? Remember, it will be hidden. All you just need to do is to click on show history, then scroll down. You see everything that you have created. I will go back here. As you can see, untitled character here. I will click on the back arrow right here, and then go to all media right here. It is in video right now. It is in video, and please do not put it to frames. Let me explain something. When you put it to frames, is when you already know how the story will end. You know the starting point, as you can see right here. here, the starting point and the ending point, right? That is when you put it to frames. But ingredients, it's when you want AI to do that for you. You just paste your prompt, just like we are doing right now, right? So that is it. Of course, image is when you are creating your image, and video is when you are creating your video. You can use this one or go to characters. Okay, now I want just one video, please. I don't have enough credits to start creating 2 videos, 3 videos, or even 4. So make sure, as you can see, to create 4 videos will cost 80 credits. This is it right here, 80 credits. To create 3, 60. To create video, 40. To create 1, 20. Check this now and put it to 1. I'll leave it to VO3 first. Okay, you can test other ones, but just use fast. Okay, or let me show you something. This right here, the lesser credit. Okay, as you can see, this is it. How many credits? 25 credits for this Omni Flash. Right now, let me go to light, 10 credits. Okay, then this fast is 20 credits, and this quality is 100 credits. How many credits do you have again? So now, which one is even 10 here? Okay, this one is 10. Let me use 10, please. You're generating with Omni, blah, blah, blah. Let us, okay. This is fine. So right now, I am done. I'm using the one of 10, please. So now I'll click on upload media right here and bring in my image. How do we make this to talk? I'll click on this right here and then click on animate right here. Now it's asking, what do you want to create? Remember to animate, click here and then click on animate. You'll see your image right here. Okay, this is your image here, and then you type in what you want to create. Pay attention right here. I'll show you something real quick. Okay, so now to make these images to talk, okay, so this is it right here. These spaces shouldn't be here, right? Let me close up these spaces, and then don't worry, I'll send this prompt to you. So once done, I'll click on send, and our video is generating right here. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more creators who will find this video helpful. Thank you.
Okay, so our video is done generating. Let's watch it.
Look at her clothes. She wears the same thing every day. Maybe she can't afford new ones.
No, this is not what I prompted this to do, right? Of course, you know that AI will still, do what is on its mind, no matter how good your prompt is, right? The first mistake right here is that the poor girl shouldn't speak first. The second one, she is saying what another person is meant to say. And the third mistake, the boy has a female voice.
Look at her clothes. She wears the same thing every day. Maybe she can't afford new ones.
Which is not supposed. So let's correct this and get back to our video generation. Don't worry, I'll send you the prompt once we got it right? Okay, so right now our second prompt is done generating. I had to tweak it. Remember this one, we had a little issue. So this one right here, let's view and see how good it interpreted our scenes and how best the voice, the lip sync, and what again, the who is speaking, right? Let it not be the poor girl that is speaking. No, this is not what we wanted. So are you ready? Sure, let's go.
Look at her clothes. She wears the same thing every day. Maybe she can't afford new.
I discovered something about Google Flow, and I will share that with you in the next one, right? So let me go ahead and generate one more scene to show you how possible and how to do these things to make your 3 dialogue scenes to talk perfectly with perfect lip sync. All right, I tried this for like 5 times to get this. You know how much credit, and I have to put it to fast because I'm trying to get it faster. Before we go ahead to do this, as you can see right here, I'm in the pro, but no, that doesn't mean that you will not get this video. You will get it, but you will get limited prompts. Limited, what is it called? You get few credits to create your videos, right? Just like I said at the beginning of this video. And now I promise to tell you how to get it with cheaper amount, right? So now here is the secret, the hack, right? To get this flow, you have to just subscribe to Google Gemini, right? Google Gemini, and then as you can see right here, it will be, this is the credit that is remaining. And for good 3 months, when you subscribe to Google Gemini, they'll be giving you these pro features for just less than $3 to $4 for 3 months. Then after that 3 months, you will start paying the full amount, which is I think $28,000 or $28. I don't, but so that is it. You can check to know how how much it is, and you can get started and start creating. I have videos that will help you get started and monetize in less than 3 months, at least, so that you monetize and start paying them the full amount right after the 3 months that you use for cheaper amount. Of course, that is what we are doing for. We're not here to stay in the free one forever. And also, I have a course, my Make Millions with Faceless YouTube channel course, where I showed you niches, how to pick a niche, how to go about everything Faceless channel. Okay, that course, I will leave it in the description box so you get it, study it, watch the videos, and join my private community as well, so you will know the niche you are picking and what to look out for, how to get tractions and everything, right? That is a full guide in one course. All right, so I'll link it in the description box. It's the final one that we generated. So let's see.
You laugh at me because of my clothes and the way I look, but I'll prove that being poor does not mean I'll stay poor forever.
Okay, so this is it right here.
You think you know my story. The best part hasn't happened yet. Just watch me.
This is good. As you can see, this one lost content. It was like a voiceover, which I do not want, right? I do not want it to be like a voiceover. That was how they were all, doing until I was able to prompt the one that you just watched right now, where she was just speaking the way I want her to speak and looking at them. Okay, I don't want a voiceover right here, right? So that is it. Okay, so if you need the prompt, of course, let me know in the comments and I'll sure send the prompt to you. Note that with this prompt, you don't have to make much mistakes, but it doesn't mean you won't make mistakes. No matter how good you are, the AI will still try you at times and that is fine, right? And now you just bring it into CapCut and everything is done, right? I'll edit it and show you how it looks. Just bring the two in CapCut and let me show you the final video right now. So all you just need to do is to rate my final video from 1 to 10. Please don't give me 0, at least give me 1 now. I tried showing you how to do this, so don't give me 0, please.
Look at her clothes. She wears the same thing every day.
Maybe she can't afford new ones.
You think you know my story. The best part hasn't happened yet. Just watch me.
I'll be waiting for your ratings and the rest of it. Alright, so now you know how to create 3 characters that are talking, right? So what are you still waiting for? Start creating.
If you enjoyed this video, like it, and if you like to see more of videos like this, subscribe to this channel. I am Success and I wish you success. Check out this video right here. You will find it helpful. Bye.